Welcome, online trading campus students and traders, to our TradingView tutorial. I will learn a little bit more about TradingView because it is a nice software, nice charting software, right? We have we have a trade station, we have TradingView, we have MetaTrader, right? And TradingView is very popular, and yeah, it makes sense to use this at the beginning, your trading journey, but I will show you if it makes sense or not. Please watch all the tutorials. It's also a TradeStation tutorial available and also a MetaTrader tutorial available. Yes, let's talk about TradingView. The agenda is about TradingView. That's a theory part number one. Part number two is account opening, also theory. I will show you how to open an account here, and also the paid or free version. The platform basics theory, we will talk about the chart where you'll find the cross, and you'll find the watch list. How you can add the watch list, some assets. And part number four is a TradingView charting practice part. That's a separate video, guys. Please watch lesson number 2 here. I will show you how to chart in or with TradingView, how to compare assets, for example, how you remove indicators that are not necessary. All of this in the fourth part. Yes, TradingView is a charting platform and social network used by more than 50 million traders and investors worldwide to spot opportunities across global markets. Let's go into about TradingView, guys. Let's look TradingView here. It is a charting platform and social network. Yes, it is also possible here to connect with other traders, not here from the campus, but traders worldwide, right? You can share your trade opportunities here. But we have a focus in this tutorial. We have a focus here on the charting platform, how to chart. Okay, but of course they have a lot of other um, other additional functions here you can use if you want. Used by more than 50 million traders and investors worldwide, up to 8 charts per tab. Custom time intervals, very important maybe for you guys. More than 150 exchanges from all over the world, all with real-time data. And here that's important to get the best data feed, right, to trade. If you want to looking for a trade or for data, you need the right data, the correct data, and here you can choose the best one. And the best for you guys, if you're a beginner, right, you want to start your own business, you don't have to pay a lot of money for any datas or a huge amount of deposit. For example, here you can use TradingView completely for free. Number 2 is here the plans. Again, we have free and paid plans that offer TradingView. And guys, TradingView, it's not a partner from the online trading campus, or online trading campus is not a partner from TradingView, guys. I'll show you only this TradingView tutorial here because it's very popular and it's nice to use for the beginning. This is my recommendation, my personal recommendation. It is a free plan here. It's a basic plan, costs you nothing in a month, nothing on the year, nothing. That's very nice. But, and that's a big but here, you will see some ads. For me, it is not important, guys. I'm honest. I use also TradingView, a free plan. Of course, I use TradeStation to make my analyze, right? But for example, for alerts, and I have not the German stocks data, for example, and I want to check my old company, Salzgitter AG, it's a German company. I'll check this on TradingView. Okay, I have also the free TradingView account here. Again, we have some ads, but it's fine. We can close the ad, right? It is not the big part here. Charts per tab, one is only allowed here in the free plan. Active price alerts, one. Number of watch lists, also one. And ability to buy extra real time data, it's not available here. Okay, and then look, we have three other paid plans. It's Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium, from $15 per month to $30 per month, around to $60 per month. You can save a little bit money on it, a little bit, I think 20%, if you pay for a year. But again, guys, I think for the most of you, this is more than enough. And guys, start with a free plan. That's my idea. And if you feel, okay, it's I hate the ads, right? Or I need more charts per tab, then you can upgrade to a paid plan. You can use all the paid plans here also for 30 days free, but then you will pay for it. Okay, my recommendation is, again, guys, to use this plan here at the beginning, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4 months, you need better, you need more features, then upgrade to one. That's not a special offer, that's regular prices here. This is a link here on the left corner. This is a link to it's tradingview.com/gopro /hash. You can go to this link and then you will see all available plans. That's number one. Number two is account opening. We will open your own TradingView account. If you have already an account, it's fine. Then wait for the other lessons. I will show you how to use your chart. If not, if you're a beginner and you want to open it, we'll do this together. It is 4 steps. Sorry for this. Number one is visit TradingView and then sign up. We'll activate your account and then you can select a plan. Let's go to step number one, and means visit this homepage here, tradingview.com/gopro/hash. You'll go back, you go to this website here and click on get started. Look, you see here, it's free until you're ready. $10 forever. The next part is sign up, and you can choose how do you want to sign up. You can use a Google account, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo. Maybe you're using Yahoo, Apple ID, LinkedIn, or your email. I will show you how to sign up with an email. Click on email here, okay? Then step number 3 is you have to fill this one here with your correct email and your password. Click on both boxes is also necessary. I have read and agreed to the term of use and well as privacy and cookie policy, and I'm not a robot. Okay, then after that, create an account. Next step is check your email inbox. You will get a TradingView email to activate or to verify your email address. This is here. Yeah, go to your email inbox and click on yes, I agree, activate my account. Number 6, yep, sorry, that's this one here, that's this email. Click activate account and then it's fine. Next step is you go back to TradingView here, and then you can choose a photo, right? Your real photo from your face, maybe, or your logo, your pet. It's up to you. Then your first name and the last name. This tick in the box is not necessary to get marketing emails. I hate these emails because it is not necessary to click. You have a tick in this box here. After that, continue. And then you will follow here to this area, and this is the area to select a paid plan if you want. Right here you have the Pro Plus, and the Premium account. You can choose one of these three plans here, and you see it is monthly. If you annually, if you want to pay annually, you have to up to 60% off, which is 2 months for free if you want. If not, if you want to go with a free plan, and again, guys, this is my recommendation. Click here on your profile. It's a T because I called my account TradeStation Tutorial. If you use the username like Christian 26, then you will see a huge C here inside. Click on this account here, and then you will see, go to your profile, right? Your correct name. That's only my sample name here. And then congratulations, you created your own TradingView account. Now you have your trading account. If you choose a paid plan, then you have, of course, to pay. That's a little bit different. Then you have to add a payment, right? For example, I think they will offer a Visa card, MasterCard, maybe PayPal, all of this. Check this one. But if, again, guys, recommendation is please start with a free plan. Yes, that was lesson number 2, our module number 2. We will go to module number 3, and I will explain you the platform basics. Let's go into our TradingView platform basics. And the next step, right after you click on your profile, you will see this one here. Go to products and then super charts. Why super charts? Because we will use TradingView as a charting software. Okay. Later, you guys, up to you. You can check all the other features. You have screeners. They have a nice heat map if you need it. Economic calendar here also, guys. They offered a lot of free stuff. Here, community, right, market, some news, and more and more and more. Yes, check all of this if you want. Let me show you something. Yeah, we go to products and then super charts, and then we are here, guys. That is, as a beginner, it is maybe a little difficult to understand, right? Oh my God, there's a lot of data here, candles, names, red and green, and prices here. This is absolutely fine as a beginner. That's the reason why I created this tutorial here. We'll do it step by step. We have time for it, okay? If you're advanced and if you already know about how to use TradingView, then you can skip if you want, of course. We'll start here, guys, with this area here, and you will see the asset, the time frame, and the specific exchange here. And here, for example, the name, look, that's the asset Apple Inc., right? Then the time frame, it is daily, 1 day, 1D, and the Nasdaq, that is the exchange here. Let's go a little bit lower, and here let's follow the white line, and you see the red one here, 167.45. This is the current price from the specific asset. It is a red box behind because the price is red, or the candle is red. Is a candle green, then you will see also a green box here. Below, you see the pre, right? An orange pre and 165.50. This means that it's a pre-market. We have a pre-market and a post-market. You will learn a little bit more about this in TradeStation tutorial. Here, it is not necessary to talk about it. It's before the opening, the regular opening, and after regular opening. For you, important is this one. But yeah, if you need more information, you can also Google pre and post market openings. Um, Here the red 167.45 means the current price from Apple Inc., if you want to buy right now, if you want to sell right now, is 167.45. And then look the chart. Check the orange box here. All this area here is a chart, means all the candles here, the green and the red candles, these are the chart, okay? Price will go up, go down, and this is the whole chart area with the candlesticks. Then let's follow this one here, and you see the right area here from 132 to 160. This is a price area. Okay, we need to access. This is price, and of course, this is a time area here lower. Okay, it means the price and the time. And of course, again, guys, here the green and red candles, these are our candlesticks. This is part number one from the platform basics, right? I hope it's clear here, this area. We will go to the second slide here and look at this. We have a toolbox here on the left side. I will explain you all the toolbox, the futures here, the tools on toolbox number one in the next slides. And again, guys, this should also look exactly like in the same. If you open a TradingView account, sorry, you will see also here an indicator, and that means a volume. We don't need the volume indicator, but that is a sample. That does the default settings from TradingView. I want to show you, okay, this is a volume indicator. I will show you I will explain you how to remove this also in the practical application in lesson number 2. Yeah, that's the indicator area also. If you add another indicators, you will see this always here. And here, look at this, it's E and D here, E and D, and here E. This means events. E, I think it means for earnings. D means, I don't know what D means, but you can go with your mouse to this D, to this event, and then you will see the explanation. Yeah, you will see always this one here below. Of course, that's Apple. That's the reason why we have E for earnings. If you open a forex pair, for example, euro US dollar, there are not there are no earnings, right? That's only a stock thing. It means, yeah, you will see not a E in euro US dollar. Next slide is we have a second toolbox, and this is this one here. Okay, means toolbox number one here on the left side. Toolbox number two is here above. And again, I'll also explain you every single symbol or a single tool here in the next slides. Important for you guys, write a watch list. This is a watch list here with specific assets. This is a default watch list, right? With the S&P 500, with NASDAQ, Dow Jones, the WIX, and the US dollar, Apple, Tesla, some stocks here. I will add in the get notes area. If you check the module here on the onlinetradingcampus.app.onlinetradingcampus.com homepage, on the module here, on tutorial module, you will see the button with get notes, and I will upload here a watch list with all forex pairs, with the common stocks and the popular stocks, and all of it, and then you can copy paste it into this into your TradingView watch list. Yes, that's this one. Let me show you this one. Yeah, if you need, maybe you're a fan of the dark mode, I use the dark mode here. I think the default settings are the light mode. Then you can go here into your profile, then dark mode, activate, disable. And this one, guys, is a free version future, maybe. This is what I mean. These are ads. You'll get some ads, right? Because you choose a free plan. You can click on the X here and then it's fine. You will not see this ad anymore. But again, maybe 5 or 10 minutes later, you will see this one again. But yeah, for me, it is not a big thing. Yeah, let me explain the toolbox number one. Let me show you again. This is toolbox number one on the left side. I will show you, explain you the different things here. It is the first part. It is a cross, right? And you can here on the right side, if you go with your mouse to the symbol, don't click on it, only hold here, stay on this tool, you will see an arrow to the right and there are more settings, right? Different crosses, okay? The other one is a line. You can use it, for example, for trend lines, or if you want to make a horizontal line here, also here, and more settings always. Fibonacci retracement is here. If you want to use a Fibonacci retracement, for example, 61.8% or 50%, 23, here, this one is the correct one. And if you want to brush something, you want to draw into the chart, you have also a brush and different brushes with some more settings. If you want to add a text, for example, a note for you, right? If you make your analyze and you want to make a note, you want to write down a note into the chart, you can use this one here. Then, yeah, this is a XABCD pattern. I never used this before and I don't need this. You also not at the beginner, but these are the default settings. I will show you in the practical application also how to modify the toolbox with your favorite tools. Then we have a big, important tool, the risk to reward ratio calculator. We can use this one. It's for a buy order, and you can go here on the settings. Then you can click also on the short position. That's really nice. They will show you, okay, you will move your entry to your entry line, to your stop loss line, and then they will show you, okay, what is your risk to reward ratio. Very important. And some icons if you need this one here. Next one is to measure the price data, right? You can measure the price data, the price range, all of it with this one here. If you want to zoom into the chart, this is here, and of course to zoom in and zoom out, go to more settings always. Magnet mode, to go to the correct price, right? You can activate the magnet mode, then you will go exactly to the highs, exactly to the lows, exactly to the opening and close prices. Very important tool. It's a TradeStation that calls snap mode. Next one is stay in drawing mode. That's a button. If you want to draw a lot, then you can click on here and you will draw and draw and draw. The last one for toolbox number one is this one here. Lock all drawing tools. If you draw a lot, right, you have drawings inside and notes, all of it, you can click here and then they are locked. Maybe, yeah. Then, for example, you made a mistake and you delete one, right? Here you can lock all your drawing tools. If you have a lot drawing inside, right? Too much for you. You see not the candles behind, then you can click on this button here to hide all the drawings. And if you want to remove, if you need a clear chart, you can remove objects, click here, and then everything is removed. This is the explanation for toolbox number one. Let's go to toolbox number two. I'll show you where you can find this one. This is toolbox number two above the chart. And here the green one is the account, right? Again, is your username Christian, then you will see a C here. That's your account. The next one is the symbol, the asset, means here Apple, also with the logo to the left, Euro US dollar, right? If you take the Euro US dollar, you will see Euro US dollar. This is only the symbol, not the full name, right? Apple, the symbol is AAPL. If you want to compare an asset, then you can use this one. For example, you want to compare a stock, means Apple here, with a Nasdaq, for example. You can add a second symbol, a second chart into your chart with this tool here. Very nice. Next one, you see the D, that's the settings, the default settings. That's a time frame. D means daily, a W means weekly, and a M means monthly. You have a lot of different time frames here: 1 minute, a tick, 6 minutes, 60 minutes, 240 minutes. All of this, you can change your time frame also here. Next one is the candle type. We are using the candlesticks, because if you watched, if you will watch the blueprint, it's important to us to check the body, right? We have 3 different candle types: indecisive, decisive, and explosive, and the candlestick type is the best one to use it. That's also the default settings. In here, indicators, you can add indicators or strategies here if you need. That's not a recommendation from my side. You don't need it. We have our own indicators. But yeah, if you need some, if you're advanced and you love it to work to trade with MACD, for example, moving average, then you can add this one here if you need. But again, not a recommendation. This one here, the 4 dots here, is an indicator templates. You can change your indicator template if you need. Then the alerts, the alert button, very important for me, guys. Remember, on the beginning, I used TradingView also for the alerts. You will get also a notification on your phone if you download the TradingView app on your phone, Android or for Apple. It's fine. It's also available for, I think, for Apple Watches and tablets and so on. It's really nice. Yeah, you can create an alert here. And guys, remember, on the different plans, there are not so much alerts allowed on the free plan. If you need more alerts, active alerts, we're talking about active alerts, then you have to pay for another plan. Bar replay, yeah, you don't need it, but you can replay here the bars if you want. And it is one of the best tools here for TradingView. They're not available on TradeStation, but yeah, it's an undo and redo button. If you make a mistake, you can click on the undo button and then perfect, it's fine. That's not available on TradeStation, but yeah, on TradeStation means make less mistakes. Yeah, here, this is the undo and redo button. Let's go to the watch list, guys. Remember, we have to the right side here our watch list. Here, that's the watch list, and let's go to it. You'll see the symbol, the last price, the the price that change per day in points or pips or dollars right here, and then change in percent per day. Okay, that's the watch list here. We have different asset groups here. Look, indices, stocks, futures, and forex. These are different asset groups. It's a default settings, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indices, 3 stocks. Of course, we have a lot of more important stocks to check, right? I will show you in the practical application how to add more assets here. But yeah, this is very nice. You see here, for example, this is TSLA, Tesla. The current price, the last price is 170.06. They changed today 8.86 US dollars, and they changed the price change in percent in today is plus 5.5%. Yeah, percent. That is here how to read this one. Next one is you can create different watch lists, right? This is its the name is watch list. With 7 assets here, right? With 7 assets, you can create also your own, right? Create a new list or import list. I will add my recommendation of a list into the Get Notes area. You can download this one and then you can add it here into yours if you want. Then, yeah, there's also default settings by or default watch list, a red list. Here you can use it, for example, with your, you can add here your running positions, for example, or your hot stocks, right? You can add it here, up to you. You can use it if you want. And then we have the plus here and add a symbol into the watch list. Here, if you, for example, need also what is a common stock, for example, Citigroup, right? You want to add Citigroup here. That is, I think it's a symbol, only the letter C. You can click here and then the C, and then you can move it here to stocks. That's also fine. The charting tools. Yes, let's go back to your or our chart, and you will see this is the chart here. This is a chart, and if you go with your mouse in this middle lower area, you will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Really important, really nice buttons for your charting. That means let's go here from the left to the right, and that's a minus and that's a plus. You can zoom out or zoom in here. For example, you're charting on a laptop, your screen is very small, then you can zoom in the candles, and the candles were bigger and bigger and bigger. If you're using a widescreen monitor, a screen, for example, then you can zoom out, okay, because you have a big screen. Then here we have a left arrow and a right arrow. That means you can scroll to the right, scroll and scroll to the left also. Sorry, guys, it's a typo. Means here, if you look the October, right, that's the last candle here on the daily. If you go to June, for example, 2022, you have to click to the left and you go bar to the left. You can also click and hold here on the candle, or not on the candle, in the chart, and move to the right. You can also go to the left, to the right, and also up to the down. And here, this is the reset chart view. If you move down, for example, you click here and move it down and click to the right, and you don't know you don't know where you want to go, then you can reset the chart view with one click, and then you see this again here. That's the charting tools. They have a lot of shortcuts. I think Ian make the TradeStation account, not a TradeStation account, a tutorial, and he'll also talk about shortcuts here for our proximal distal line, for a trend line, for arrows, all of this. And you can also add shortcuts here in TradingView. It's not necessary that I will show you all the shortcuts. TradingView have their own shortcuts page. Please go to tradingview.com/support/shortcuts, and then you will see all the shortcuts here. You can print it out, and the important shortcuts here, print it out and pin it next to your screen or next to your keyboard, up to you, but very nice to use shortcuts, right? So good, yeah, and you have a good flow for charting. Next one is FAQ, frequently asked questions. If you have any questions here about the paid plan, how to chart, what is a bar, and all of it, you can go to the tradingview.com/support page. There are a lot of the frequently asked questions are already answered here, right? Because again, guys, TradingView have more than 50 million traders and investors, right? I think you're not alone with your question. And then if you need also more practice, guys, again, I will add another lesson here with practical application. But if you need more, you can go very easy to YouTube and type TradingView tutorial, and you will see tutorials with 100,000 of views. Also, yeah, around the 1 hour. That's also fine, right? Be an expert in TradingView. Really, really nice. Thank you very much. Yes, we are done with the theory part of the TradingView tutorial. The next part is the practical part, and here this is a charting part. I will go with you. We'll go together into the TradingView chart, and I will show you how to chart. Add a symbol, add a watch list into it, remove the indicators and all of this stuff. Thank you for joining, or thank you for watching the theory part, and yes, we'll see us again in the practical application part here, the charting one. Have a good day, guys.